Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to unblock people on Messenger. So actually guys, all you need to do is to open up your app, and right here you will need to tap on menu that's located on the bottom right, and for some people you can find it on the top left. So actually just go ahead and tap on these three lines, and then just go ahead and tap on settings. So once you get the access to your settings, you will need to scroll down a bit until you can see the privacy and safety option. Go ahead and tap on it, and right now just scroll down until you can see the blocked accounts option. Go with it, and then right here, for example, I want to unblock the contacts or that person. So just go ahead, tap on it, and after that you will have the option to unblock it. So let's go tap on unblock, and as you can see, it's that's person disappeared from the blocked list. So actually guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.